How to add or remove credit or debit card on SheIn. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to add or remove credit or debit card on SheIn. Firstly, make sure to download and install the SheIn app on your device. If you haven't yet already, then open the SheIn app on your device. Make sure to log in or sign into your account. In order to add or remove credit or debit card on SheIn, first of all, you have to go ahead and make a purchase. Select any item that you require. Suppose, let me choose this dresses at the top left corner of the screen and select any dress that I wish for. Once you select the dress, you can easily select the size and the colors as well. Tap on Add to Cart at bottom of the screen and you will proceed towards the other step. Tap on the cart icon at top right corner of the screen to access this cart. Now tap on Checkout at bottom right corner of the screen. Here on this section, you have to add all the details for the shipping address. If you want to make it default, you need to toggle on the button for making default. And after that, click on the Save button at bottom of the screen. You need to recheck your location and the last name, so let's check it. So once you're done with entering all the shipping address, tap on the Save button. If you want to make default, toggle on the button for it. Once you're done with that, you will get the option for payment method, that is credit or debit card. Simply you can choose credit or debit card and add all the details of your credit or debit card and you can easily purchase any item. Also, after entering all the details, if you wish to make the card default, you can easily tap on the Remember this card for future use toggle button. And after that, you can easily add the credit or debit card on SheIn. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos.